Hello everyone, this is a top up, yes, to the video guide on Practical 3. Our studies and others have shown that our kind of students do not like virtual learning environments that are dull, that are flat, and they want something colorful, something that is beckoning, something that is easy to navigate with a lot of swagger, a lot of yanga in it. So in this video, I'll walk you through just two of several hundreds of steps that you can put some swagger in your virtual learning environment and make your students love it. They want to come there. So you will get this. What's in it for you? What's in it for you? 30 full marks. And these are bonus marks, 30 full marks, bonus. That's topping up Practical 3. And by the time you submit on Wednesday, June 21st, please note, it's Wednesday, June 21st. I made an error in the earlier post about June 14 or something. It's June 21st. And it's tomorrow, tomorrow now, because today is the 20th of June. Right, June 21st, that's when Practical 3 is due. When you submit it, and the graders are able to see the two additional with the swagger, then you get 30 marks. So it's going to be 50. If you score 50 over 50, it's going to be 50 over 50, and then 30 over 30. You are going to get 80 marks. So let's see how you do the two tasks. Yeah, I've actually labeled this Practical 3A. Putting some swagger in your class virtual learning environment. Peter A Okebukola today, June 20th, 2023. And what's the goal? The goal is to improve what we call the look and feel. It's a phraseology in this kind of business of your class virtual learning environment. Task 1. Let's go. Task 1, which will earn you 10 marks. Bonus is to add HTML scrolling marquee. So what's a scrolling marquee? What's a marquee? Marquee, not the kind of tent that we'll see in event centers, but it's an HTML marquee. So what's an HTML marquee? It's a scrolling piece of text that is displayed either horizontally or vertically on our web page. The second one is to add customized buttons to CV. This will take 20 marks. So let's go to the first one, which is, let's see, to add the HTML scrolling marquee, which will earn us 10 marks. To achieve task 1, you are going to need this module 7 marquee template. Well, what's the template? What's in it? This word is in it. This is in a WordPad. Please do not, I'm going to send this to you. So do not put it in Microsoft Word and all of that, because it's the text format. And it is, you said HTML marquee. So this is in HTML language, if you like. So what you then do is, when you get this, you open it. It will automatically open, of course, a notepad, and then you just copy this. Just copy, and then do what we did. Go to your site, go to your class virtual learning environment, and then paste it there. Is it just paste anywhere? No, I'll just show you where you paste it. You go to your course. I don't want to go to Professor Salu's course again. I'm sure he's working on it or finished the assignment. So let's take this one, Marshall Peter EDU 302. So you come to here, and then you want to add your scrolling marquee to it. What's the scrolling marquee? You will see in a minute. Or maybe let's just see what we have written in it. All these HTML codes, this is what you are going to see. Welcome to Peter A Okebukola. Let me highlight all the way here. Yes, so this is what is going to scroll. Welcome to Peter A Okebukola CC Mass Class Virtual Learning Environment. In combination with our on-site classes, you are assured of unmatched quality teaching and learning in EDU 302. That's what is going to scroll. So you come to your class virtual environment, you see course, settings, participants, and all that. So you just go, you can say, this is the start of the course. Now you go just below here, below this one, below this line, and you come here and you go to edit settings. I take it again. When you get to your site here, just look for, you have a forum, you have general here. We're going to change this one. You already have the welcome message, the video. Yeah. So here, you click on these three dots and you have edit settings. It's going to give you a dialog box which shows this place. You can put some nice things there, but that's not what we want to do now. We want to put the scrolling marquee, scrolling HTML marquee. So this is a line of menu. This gives you the size of the font. This gives you bold, italics, and all of this that you're familiar with. But where's HTML? We've got to go to where HTML is. It will give you, if you click on this, you can see show more buttons. If you click on this, it shows you another line of buttons. The one that we want, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? See, I'm mousing over this and it's saying HTML. So you click on this and then it's waiting for you to put your HTML code. So you have copied from the template I sent to you. So you just paste. What I've done is just Control V. I just pasted. So you can see, welcome to Peter A Okebukola virtual learning environment and all of that. And then you just say save and return to course. Hey, that's it. 10 marks in your pocket. It's as simple as this. Welcome to Peter A Okebukola CC Maths Class virtual learning environment. So that's it. That's the scrolling marquee. You can change the colors. We're going to do the changing of colors and the other fonts and all of that later. But since you are not Peter Okebukola, so how do you change the thing to your name? And if I modify this, it's easy. So just go back to this, go to edit settings, and then you go to here for you to, by the way, you're going to have it in edit mode. This is because I had it in edit mode before. So if it were here, it's not going to work. You see it now. So you got to put it in edit mode. You got to switch it, get it switched to the right to turn the editing on. So what are we going to do? Let's get onto here. And then, get onto here and go to the HTML. I want to change that thing. Come out for Peter Okebukola. So it can be welcome to, let's see, Engineer Kayode Odedinam, a great man who is the director. Welcome to Kayode. Sorry, my keyboard is very noisy, so just pardon it. Kayode Odedinam's CC Maths Class Virtual Learning Environment, the combination. You can change the color, but don't let me bug you with that now. We're going to do some interesting things with this as we go along. I want this video to be as short as possible. So save and return to course. So let's see what it's giving us. Welcome to Kayode Odedinam's CC Maths. So that's how you do it. You can actually change everything here, depending on how the spirit moves you. So task 1 is add HTML scrolling marquee, 10 marks. Hey, we have 10 marks right in our pocket. I've told you what the marquee is, and then add customized buttons to your class virtual learning environment, and that will be 20 marks. How do you add customized buttons? You go to a tailor? Oh yes, of course, you can go to a tailor, but the tailor is right here, and you will see how we make the customized buttons and add to the class virtual learning environment. That's our step 2. Let's see what is going to be on the buttons. We say customize. Customize how? By July 25th, that's almost a month away, you will be delivering, the project will come on now. You will have admitted your students to your class, and then you will deliver topic number 1 to them. You deliver, you enroll your students, you deliver, or you give them the topic for discussion forum, you give them all of this. So we are going to do buttons for Monday, July 25, 2023, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, you can just do for 3 days for the buttons. So to set up your button, you go to Microsoft Word. By the way, you can do it anyhow you like. But I like this one where you go to insert shapes, your smart art, maybe smart art. Smart art will give you something like this. I normally like this. I think I like this one. Yeah, so you have this, and then you type the dates. Monday. I don't want this my noisy keyboard to annoy you. So I'm going to do it, and I'll get back after doing it. As you can see, I put in the dates. You can use any of these, just the button based on what you want. So what I want now will be to have them colored. Let me color this to be. Let me format the shape. Shape fill. Yes, shape fill. Let's give this. No, not that. This. Yes, shape fill. Let's fill this there. This one, let's make it what color? Can somebody whisper a color to me? Okay, thank you. Goes the whisper. All right, so let's take this one to be brownish. So I have 3 of these buttons here, and you can resize them as you like. You can resize like this. Yeah, you can resize. Let's keep this size. That's fine. So what's next? What's next is for you to capture this screen, and you just look for the print screen button on your on your keyboard. It's written PRTSC. It's usually at the front row, at the top of of all the set of keys. So I've pressed it, print screen. It has captured this screen. So if you let me open another Word document. If I now paste, you're going to see that it has it there. Paste. Yeah, you can see it's here already. But that's not what I want, because I want to be able to cut off this, and this. So let us see how we'll go with that. There is a facility in all the computers that you have. It's called Paint. There's an app. It's called Paint. How do you see Paint? You hold down your control, your Windows key, and you just type Paint as if you're searching for Paint. Yeah, so this is Paint. So you get onto Paint. It comes up like this, and you paste what you have there. So I've pasted it like this. Don't worry, I'm going to do one other set. Then you select this. This is the button I want. This button, that's what I want. I'll copy it, and then I'm going to open another Paint because I don't want to lose this other bit here. So let's open another Paint. So this is another Paint here. I pasted there. So this Monday, July the 25th. I can now save this one. You have to save it somewhere where you can see. You save it as a JPEG. You can save it as any of this, but JPEG is nice. Yeah. So it's going to ask me where am I going to save it. I will go to a folder where I will be able to locate it. I want you to put in a folder which I've named Practical 3A. I'll get it in there. So I will call it Monday. Monday is it? I'll save it as Monday. So I've saved this button as Monday, July 25th. Let's go to the next one. See, that's why I had to open another one. So let's copy this one. Oh yeah, let's extract this. How am I extracting? All you are doing is you are coming to this place or this place. Just click on it. You can see it's showing select. So I want to select this bit here. I select this. Yes, that's it. And then I copy. Then I'll go to the other place. When I come here, I want to create a new one. So it's going to ask me, okay, it's even gone because I already. So you can then paste this one here. And so what should I do with this? Can somebody tell me? Okay, yes, to save it. I want to save it as this. You can save it as any of this, but this format is good or GIF. So JPEG. Yeah, so Monday is already there. So I'm going to call this one Tuesday. So how do I do that of Wednesday? Yeah, you go to this one here. The other one we copied, and then you select this Wednesday, select Wednesday, select Wednesday. Because this is customized. There are other buttons that you can get online, but why don't you do it yourself? Why should you depend on others? So I'm copying this one. I'm going back to the other window I opened. So this one. I've said, okay, I'll tell you what I did. I just did file, new. That's all. And then I pasted. And then what? You save. So I'm saving it as a JPEG picture. And I'm calling it Wednesday. That's also Wednesday. Sorry about my keyboard, my noisy keyboard. So that's it. Wednesday. So it's all done. Let me give you another example. I said I'm going to do one more time. And it goes like this. This is just open a new Word document, and then you go to insert. You can go to smart art. As I said, there are several ways of doing buttons. You can take anyone. Let's see what else. Let's see other designs, graphic designs. Well, as I said, I like this because it gives you, yeah. So as you want to do, we've done Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Let's do Friday. Just only Friday. Friday, July. Actually, it's Thursday, July 28th. July 28th, 2023. So you can let's even improve that. Let's say this one is looking like this. And what else can it look like? Hey, come on, people. Let's look for the color format. Let's look for a color for this one. The shape fill. Let's fill it with turquoise. Oh yeah, this green is looking nice, but I already used green. So let's use this turquoise. Hey, yeah. So this is how it's going to look. And as I said, you can shrink it. And so what next? What is next is for you to look for the print screen button on your the key on your keyboard. It's usually towards the. Okay, let me go online and show you a picture of it. So on a Windows keyboard, it's usually towards the front here, about here. Let's see here, so you can see print screen capture. That's what we're doing, capturing the screen. You may have to hold the FN key and all that, but just do the one that you can see somewhere around here. So that's the print screen. That's the print screen. So that's the one you're going to hold to capture the screen. So on my keyboard, I'm pressing print screen. So I've captured this screen. And then what do I do? As I said, you go search for Paint. That Paint is an application that's available in everything. So what in every machine that you're using. So you just hold down the Windows button, and then it pops up with all the apps that are there. It's a search for apps. You just type Paint, and it comes up. So this is the Paint. This is the one that we're going to use. Although it's already active on my system. So that is it here. So what you then do is to paste that. Control V, I've pasted it, and I will then select, go to here, select here, go to here, select Thursday. Yep. And then you copy this and then you go to another paint. Let's see, yes, here you go to another paint, or you just do you get a new, yeah, and then you paste that one there. So that's July 28, and then you save. Control S will do that for you. So one that is JPEG picture, and then we already have Wednesday, so this is Thursday. So we have customized the buttons, so we don't need to place the buttons on a virtual learning environment. Now we want to add the buttons, and we've done this. Yes, that's 10 marks. The 20 marks will go to the buttons. The first topic in my course outline is basic issues in test and measurement, and that's the annotation at the bottom there. So what do we want to do? I want to put a button because this is the only topic that I'm going to teach as part of the project, and the same thing applies to you because you just have a week to deliver this topic. So we want to do what the timetable asks us to do, which is that on Monday, the 25th of July, we deliver topic number 1 as a video lesson. So the Monday will be video lesson. Tuesday will be discussion forum. And then Wednesday will be the test. And then we'll submit the grade book. So we're going to do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So let's apply the buttons. Do you just look for the button and paste it somewhere here? No, you don't do that. You're going to add it. So you add an activity. Actually, it's a resource. So add an activity or resource. So you are going to click here, and it's going to give you all the activities, all the resources. These are the activities. These are the activities. Assignment, chart, choice, database, external tool. These are the resources. We are actually going to be putting a label. That button is going to come as a label. So that is a resource. If you actually go to all, you find it's in alphabetical order all the way down. And L, that's L, the label. So you can click on label, and it's going to come with this. Add a new label to this. Yes, that's what we want to do. And what kind of thing is this? Label text? No, not yet. We want to, what this is, insert or edit image. You know that button is an image. So this is what you are going to click, and it's going to ask you, where is the image? You can enter the address. If it's something on the website, you can enter the address, but this one is not the website, and then it's not on the internet. It's not on the web. It's right here on my computer. So you just go to browse repositories. Browse repositories will now come to here that you want to, I want to upload a file. So choose the file. Okay, I'm going to choose the file. You should know where your files are located, where the buttons are located. So this one is Monday. So I click on it, and then it's accepted it, save as, no need, just leave all these ones as default, and they ask you to upload this file. Now the exciting thing begins. Upload the file. So you have to click this. This image is decorative only. You can resize it here. If you change this other one will change auto size, and the alignment is at the bottom. So save image. So the image is now saved. You can see it's right in here now, right in there. And then you can go to the end here, and you see, it's a video that we're going to have. Insert lesson, no, just a lesson video on topic 1. Yeah, so that's what we're going to have. But we're going to insert the video. Let me see the time. I'm running quite late now. If I finish Tuesday, I can come back to it and insert the video. So that's what you have here. So that's Monday. What else do you need to do? Just keep all of this. There are several interesting settings that you can activate here, but just say save and return to course. Course. So that's it. We've done Monday. We want to do Tuesday. So you do the same for Tuesday. Tuesday is actually discussion forum. F, you can see forum here. No, it's still a label. We're not putting the discussion forum yet. So we're going to go to L. If you like, you can go to resources, and it's going to give you this as label. So like we did for Monday, we're going to do for Tuesday. We're going to look for the button. And so what are we going to do? Yeah. So here it is. Actually, if you mouse over it, they will tell you what it's meant to do. I'm just munching. I'm taking some nice lunch. Yeah, what lunch? I'm eating some rice with snail, with some vegetable. That's it. Hey, you want some? Okay, going to send some by this attachment. Where's the attachment? Oh, no attachment here, so there's no way I can send to you. Yeah, of course I can attach as a picture. I'm going to send you the image. Insert or edit image. All right, so it comes to this enter URL. That's the address, web address. If you add it on the web, but no, I'm going to browse the repository inside this machine. So it comes here, upload a file. Yes, I want to choose a file. So what's the file? The file is Tuesday. That's it. You click on Tuesday, and there you say upload this file. When the file is uploaded, don't forget to say this image is decorative only. You can see it as giving the URL. Actually, that is the URL of where it is going. So it says save image. You can resize it, as I said. So I save this image, and then this one is discussion forum. When it comes to where we're going to put discussion forum, we're going to tell you how to do that. So you do the same for Wednesday, the same for Thursday, and so that's it. So what we want to see to earn you 20 marks is to have Monday lesson video. Okay, I'll see what I can do if I want to. I'm already 26 minutes now. Tuesday, we have it like that. Okay, now let's do this. In an event that you have done your video, again, let's see how we insert. We'll go to edit settings, insert video, the lesson video here. We go to edit settings. Yeah, so it comes up like this. Lesson video on topic 1. As I was saying, we're going to get up to here. Insert video. That's where we were at that time. And then you go to, is asking for a link or a video. Want a video. And there is asking for the source of the video. We don't have it right in here. Actually, it's referencing the practical server. But what you should do is you go and look for the video that you have prepared on lesson number 1 or topic number 1, which we are going to guide you through. You'll find that this thing is very easy. I'm telling you. So don't let any IT person do big man. You invite them, they'll be making younger. They'll be telling you, okay, I'm busy now. You can do it yourself. As you can see, it's as easy as BCD, not ABC. All right. So let's look for the video source. So where's the video source? You go to the YouTube place that you uploaded it to, and then you look for the address. Yeah, for instance, this is the video of Practical 3. And so how do you get the address on this one? You can get it on top of here, or you can just go to share.
Hello, one and all.
Hello to my friend.
And
then go to copy. You have copied this web address. That's what you need.
Today is Monday, June the 19th,
hey,
2023. By our program.
Yeah, so you come here and you paste that address, the video source URL. This URL just means address, so don't let them make the thing look so high for you. So that's it. Anything, display options, if you want to, you have some options there that you need to put in there, or advanced settings, subtitles, but that's not necessary for at this stage. So you just go to insert media. It's turning this thing the other side. So let me adjust it. It was trying to insert that video here. So you can just come here and hit enter, so you can have some space where it's going to be. So take it a step again, insert video. You say it's video, and you put the address, and then you say insert media. So you can see it as inserted it here. Now, but we want this thing to be centered, maybe. So you can now go to the centering button. It's not here. So you go to the second row, and then say center. You can see it has brought it to the center. And so what else do you need to do? Don't worry about all of this, as I said earlier. So say a return to course. Yeah, so you see it. So that's what the students will see when they come to this site, when you're ready to what is it? So you can see on Monday you watch the lesson, on Tuesday you have discussion forum, and it goes on like that. Yeah, so we have added the customized buttons to our virtual learning environment, and 20 marks are in our pocket. So I leave you now to earn the bonus marks of 30. See you practical 4. For me, Peter A Okebukola, is bye for now.